All right, so this is me still working on a project. I guess I'm doing my own little QC, and I've cut out a big chunk of it. And the reason why I did that is because a lot of the fibers of this carbon really is temperamental in that it'll fray really, really easy if it comes in contact with anything. So I've literally been going over a lot of individual pieces and working backwards, and it's been pretty tedious, but a lot of the pieces I have replaced, like here, and I mean, to me, I can see it's a lot darker. I had another remedy that I was using, and it seemed like it worked, but I guess after a while it didn't. So anyway, this is one big chunk that just came out that I cut out right there that I got to redo. But again, this is just me having another bar of expectation to how I want my project to come out, and I don't know if I'll be doing any more after this, to be honest. Um, so, with that said, I kind of want to put my best foot forward and make sure it's the way I want it. But in any case, I should be done today in doing all of the fixings and getting it to where I need it to be. And hopefully I can be laminating this in the next couple of days. And moving on to the fenders and side skirts and stuff like that I got to create.